Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Yes, we are doing puff puff or Toogbei or Bofrot, whatever you call it. Yeah, my kids like it with cinnamon sugar, okay? But you can add any topping of your choice. It's so delicious. Just look how dry it is. There's no oil in it. And it's a very easy recipe that you can make. Guys, it's so delicious. Come along with me and let's do this. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Let's do this. Right, so to start, I have my flour, okay? And then I'm going to add some sugar. I'm using brown sugar, but you can use any sugar of your choice. I have some nutmeg, some yeast, and some salt, okay? I'll put that into my flour and mix it nicely. And also, I am going to add some powdered milk and also some lemon rind, okay? I am going to put all the measurement in the description box for you. I added the lemon rind. It's optional, but it just smells so fresh when you add that to it, okay? So next I'm adding some vanilla extract and then I'm adding some water to it. That's it. It's a very easy recipe, okay? I'll just put the amount of water you have to add to it as well. So just check the recipe, okay? Just add the water bit by bit so that you get the right consistency. All right, so I mix it nicely and I'm going to use my hands just to test it. So that's how it is. Yeah, it's all done nicely. I'm going to cover it and I'm going to put it in a warm oven, okay, for 1 hour. Right, the oven is warm, not really hot, but very slightly warm oven so that it will rise quickly. Right, I've taken my dough out and I'm about to fry it. As you can see, it's raising nicely. I will take the air out of it and ready to fry. My oil is already on fire at a medium heat. Don't let it be too hot so that it will burn. Okay, so that's it. Let's fry our Bofrot. Yeah, always turn it so that you make sure it's really browned evenly, okay? If you don't turn it continuously, part might burn, okay? So just turn it so that the browning will be evenly and it will taste good, okay? That's why I keep on turning it. It doesn't take that long to cook, as you can see. So yeah, that's it. It's all done. Let's take them out of the oil and we keep on doing it until all the butter is finished. Yeah, it's a continuous thing, isn't it? Yeah, so it's all done, guys. Very easy recipe. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video you will be notified. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Bye.